stop your lending licenses if you do not control your NPA. Has the situation changed? Not much. We also have seen in the last quarter 3 or 4 banks in South has been given notice that if they cannot reduce their NPA, they would be facing the same problem which United Bank in East is facing, stopping their right to give any more loan. And this problem was no less with the largest of the large one. Okay, I am indicating. You understand whom I am indicating to. And the bank where we first implemented it is one of the top 5 bank in Asia Pacific. So please take your guess. What RBI could have done? Police came out with this stick. He said, hey guys, if you do not identify your NPA, if you do not report it properly, if you cannot prepare for stopping it, and if you cannot take action, then I would take action. So they categorized the NPAs in 3 categories: SMA 0, SMA 1 and SMA 2. I am talking a little bit of domain over here. SMA 0 is non-financial signals, the signals which emits out of the system around the finance. Now what happens is that when I give a loan, the company whom I have given a loan is supposed to return back certain EMIs every month. There is certain agreements for return of the interest and the principals, right? Now, if I cannot capture those environmental factors that influences the NPA, which is non-financial in nature, and this SMA 0 was not there before 2012-2013. This came up as a concept in 2012-2013. There was discussion of non-financial signals, but it was not in practice or in governance. Okay. So, pardon me? Kingfisher became a bank. So, I am going to talk about again some real story about Kingfisher and another Indian bank, and I am going to take the name over here. This is about IDBI Bank. Very recently, you can get it in Google. There, ED has been questioned by the Vigilance Department and the corporate governance organizations that why did you give 980 crore of additional line of credit to Kingfisher when they were financially stressed. What do I mean by financially stressed? So, a bank, as long as they get the check on time, are happy. But is the bank aware that behind that check coming in on time, there are probably 2 checks not getting ready for being issued? So, let us move on. We all know about economic cycle or financial cycle of economics. What happens is that before any line of credit gets bad, and that 90% case which I spoke about McKinsey, the signals generally starts coming 18 months before. And thank you for giving me the name of Kingfisher. What is the first signal that came with Kingfisher? The first signal which came with Kingfisher is that people who have been issued the appointment letter were not recruited. The second signal, the salaries of the employees were not paid on time. Third signal, the payments for the airport authority was being delayed. Fourth signal, the payment for the suppliers of the airline fuels has been delayed. Fifth signal, the payment for the lease amounts has been delayed or some of the lease has been cancelled. Sixth signal, there have been some leasing companies where 70% more than the standard lease amount has been paid. That means money has been stacked. Okay. Now these all were there in the newspaper even before the first default happened. The eighth signal was that Kingfisher started saying, we are always overbooked. I am healthy, right? I am keeping very good. Now the bankers have been giving loan and they continue to give loan. And today they are talking about JLF, SBI is going to the court to drag Malias. I really do not know where it is. Whose money is gone? Your and my money has gone. SBI or PNBs does adjustment entries within this 4 wall of big amounts, because that's the buffer they play on, right? So it's not their money gone, it's your and my money gone, because your PLR ratio or your home loan will not be cheaper, even if Rajan cuts 25 basis points. Okay. So how do we prevent it? Now I'm quickly getting into the case. To prevent it, our organization need to know these non-financial signals. Now it is not possible for a human to capture all those non-financial signals, which are reported through the newspapers, through the media, through the research agencies, through the corporate bodies, even NCA 21, stock market, global press briefings. There are many. Okay. Now, can we capture that data along with public sentiments, create a sentiment analysis, create a score on a big data technology, and provide input to the bank, which is physically not possible for the bank to capture, that, hey bank, your XYZ company is not looking so good as you think. There are more informations. The relational manager goes and does the meeting. They have a relation with the account. It has to be maintained over the years. I heard that some of the bank's relationship manager with some of the largest corporate has served 23 years only that corporate, and after that he was so rich that he never thought of doing work. Okay, because he was a relationship manager of a large corporate from a large bank. Okay. Now this relationship manager also gets a lot of information, gets filtered out because he has to maintain relation. So we move on. Okay. How do we understand that what impacts in our industry? Let's take one of the major defaulter in the country today, steel industry. We heard about JSW, we heard about Bhushan, we heard about Odisha Steel, we heard about many others. Now, every year we all go for some health check, right? We get ourselves checked. Why do we get ourselves checked? Do we all have disease? No. We get to know that are we prone to disease. Obviously, if I have a disease, I know how to treat it. I am going to a specialist for that. Okay? So, the health check is the concept based which we built up this technology solution. Now, we are a technology company. Please believe Oracle is a technology company. We had domain partners and we have people like you who brought in the domain to work with us to deliver this solution. Okay? So, we created something called industry ontology, very commonly known term. Ontology means overall health, overall body and the structure. Okay? We use technology like natural language processing, we use technologies like themes and threats and sentiment scoring. So, we started analyzing every industry at the group level, at the hierarchy level, even to the bottommost level, and create correlations that how it looks like, how is financial health looking like, is there an issue. And last but not the least, it is not about analysis. If analytics cannot be consumed, it is of no sense. So, we actually converted the knowledge gathered through this to a deliverable of exactly what a credit officer need. Okay? So, let us look at a little more. This is a representative of ontology. What does it cover? Now, for any industry today, and we including we all, is that we all are influenced by environmental factors. I am influenced by my wife, my ex-girlfriends, even my, I don't know, sorry, just trying to make it little light. Okay. So, I am influenced by many others and thought leaders. Okay. So, we all are influenced by a lot of other factors, and these factors of influence which determines how I am going to react, how I am going to respond. So, it is just a representative ontology, and the good thing is that you actually can get industry ontology available through the research centers, through the Googles, even through the domain firms like CRISIL and all who have been studying these industries for many years. So, sources are available. You just need to capture that knowledge and put it up with the right technology to analyze the overall health. Looks simple. So, what we did? We did about 52 different segments analysis for their health checkup at the supermost level to the bottommost level. Okay? And we helped, you all know what I am referring to. I am not supposed to take the name of the customer, as you know, as the principles and practices goes. Okay? Helped some of the largest banks to recover NPA in the first quarter about 17%, and in second quarter about 21% of their as on today NPA. Now, what is the value of it? Sir, if I would have signed an agreement on, I would have been the richest man today in the world. But I am sorry, my company is a product company, you all can sign it, you guys provide services. Okay? So, we did it, and the bank is looking better now. And right now I am talking to around 15 banks in India and about 72 banks in APAC for the same solution. including largest bank in China. And the good thing is that the solution for Oracle and its community has come up from India. Okay. So what we captured is that we looked at the bank's portfolio, that the 52 sectors that we spoke about. We looked at the SMA history, that is the defaults history or the fault histories. Okay. We captured the SMA 0 signals, that is the downstream upstream updates, then put it onto a big data engine, that's the crystal. Okay. And then broke it into different parameters, analyzed them further, screened them and put into the assessment and analysis. That's actual deployment architecture, but logical one. These are some of the actual screens. This is actually a set of companies. It's a industry sectoral analysis, how the sentiments are looking, how the negative scores are being generated, which are the negative most vis-a-vis to the others. You can also even have a correlation of, let's say, construction industry vis-a-vis steel industry or things like that. So how one impacting other. Okay. So drill down by the sector. I have just kept a couple of screens. You can see over another thing over here. This is tag cloud. We all are aware of tag clouds, right? In Hadoop, we can create tag clouds. The maximum concentration of particular information, we can tag it, right? This is tag clouds. So this is not a pure Hadoop environment. You can see Avgar own plant. This is about one leading manufacturing firm who had leased the ore, the coal is the raw material, which has leased it from Afghanistan, and now with the ISS problem, they are not in a position to get the raw material. So they are now going to South Africa for sourcing. It has created a lot of financial stress for them. Environmental factors, you know what I am referring to. So these are the type of thing. High exposure with low sentiment can also be a very critical warning. We have actually generated this type of analysis for about 70 to 80 different parameters related to any industry. This is I have already spoken about, one of the largest nationalized bank in India. So real life, again, automotive industry, and I am going to relate to India. Before that, many of you know this, heard about it, but this is, every line over here has a URL link and you can click on it. I can share the PPT. These are real informations. Okay. This company, Toyota, you can see the brand, was having a lot of problem with their automobile quality and the accidents and replacements they had to give. Now this case study is known, but people did not know that it took a lot of pain for them to find out why this has happened, and I will come back to this later on. This is the challenge. When these problems were happening, it was 32x number of customer complaints on a regular basis. If in a day they get 10 or 15 or 200 or 500, it was 32x. Warranty claim was 6x, financial transactions losses, penalties were 5x. It was hitting the bottom line of the company so badly that if it would have been continued for some point of time, it would have actually taken the company out. And what did NHTSA, National Highway Traffic, some authority, I think, supervisory authority of US, they said, my advice to anybody, if anyone owns that vehicles, stop driving it. This was NHTSA's comment. Now under such circumstances, we get many experts. Experts from advisory consultants, experts from internal organizations, someone saying, we need to review our engineering design. Hey, something wrong with the engineering design. Someone is saying the problems are too many to handle. Our service engineers and the service systems are not geared up to handle too many problems like this. And someone is saying, hey, my profitability is dangerously low. I can't keep on funding so much of losses. Too many experts. I don't know what it comes out with. And there came Oracle. Oracle Big Data Solution to work with them, help them to capture starting from social media to external sources, government websites, regulations, claims, service data, unstructured informations, fault data, videos, accident informations, everything. and we put it to the analysis of a technology we called big data discovery. And let me go back to the result. This was the result, and this was the cause. Now I have kept it. This pictures also from the Google. You know what has happened? Dust used to go inside the machine. So some design engineer thought that if we put a boundary to the mat, the dust will not go. Very good thought, very innovative thought. But the boundary become a little millimeter above the line beneath which the accelerator has to go. So every time accelerator used to come back, it used to hit the boundary. So when from a freeway a car is entering into a highway or a regular way, the accelerator will stop somewhere for a minute, and the driver will not know at what distance the accelerator will come down, because it will break the human calculation. Now this was possible because we analyzed through using big data, and Toyota has adopted this worldwide. The benefit of this is that after we did the Toyota case, today almost every automobile uses our big data technology, and the entire supply chain, including Briggs & Stratton, Delphi, whoever is the suppliers to the automobile large manufacturers, they use our technology. We worked with an Indian company. Again I am giving a clue. 15,000 crore is their annual spend for supporting spares and warranty. And we proved it to their CFO that we can reduce it to 1,300 crore in year 1. Unfortunately, the decision is pending, but we believe we will close it. It is pending because the company itself is doing bad. They have already gone into some rough weather. Okay? But when we did the POC with them, we found these are the areas of improvement: quality improvement, customer perception, burden on the IT resources, improvement of process and compliance. Telecom. Any question before I go to telecom? No. Very intelligent question. The problem, when you know it, then it is easy to find. When it gets reported to you, it gets reported as that my accelerator did not de-accelerate. It doesn't get reported as this problem. Okay. So you have to then listen to the same problem repeatedly said by 10 people or 1,000 people in a different way. Analyze those problems that have been reported at the service center. Analyze unstructured data. And second, it is all about recency of information. How quickly I can analyze the data to come back to reutilize it for my business. Rest all we have been doing analytics for many years. Any questions before I take telecom? Yes. Yes. I have about 21 use cases. Out of around 14 I have already tested in India. I'll share my card. Yeah, these are all refined. I mean, may not be always customer defensible, but these are, the knowledge is with us. And most of the important thing is that Oracle is a technology company. Okay, I have a quiz for all of you.